Hey everybody, Brandon here from CAD Intentions, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy tool that's going to save you a ton of time and allow you to reuse things like blocks, layers, layouts, styles, and more from previous drawings in just a few clicks. Before we jump into today's video, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my free AutoCAD newsletter at cadintentions.com/signup. I'll put the link up above and down below in the description. It's totally free. You get a weekly newsletter giving you tips, tricks, and these videos directly in your inbox. Now, moving on to today's video. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have started a new drawing like this one, completely fresh and blank, and you're looking for a quicker and easy way to get set up. This also applies to, say, an existing drawing, and you want to quickly and easily bring in, say, a previous layout or previous blocks you've created in other projects or other drawings in the past. Things that normally take time, like importing layers, importing blocks and styles, can be done in actually just a few clicks. This not-so-secret tool is called DesignCenter, and you can access it by typing in ADC and hitting enter, or holding down Control and tapping the 2 key. This is going to bring up the DesignCenter window where you're going to be able to grab objects from open drawings or drawings buried in folders in your server or hard drive, or you can go through a history of the drawings you've opened. Now, I like to typically use the Open Drawings tab since I find it a lot faster. It's typically easier to just open up an example project or an existing previous, say, electrical or floor plan drawing you've done, and then steal or copy objects and styles directly from that drawing. Now, you can see here our drawing 2 is open, and this is the drawing that we want to copy things into. So the easiest way is to select that drawing, open your DesignCenter, and browse to the Open Drawings tab. From here, you can select either of the 2 drawings that I've opened to grab objects from, and simply click through to see what's in them. By selecting blocks, you can see the blocks that are in my electrical drawing here, and simply clicking on them is going to give you a preview of the object. And to import them into the existing drawing, the current one that we're using, which is drawing 2, simply right click and choose Insert Block. You can also click and drag these objects directly into the drawing to save you time. Things like blocks can now be just drag and dropped from other drawings in just a few clicks. Now, the same goes for entire layouts, which I find this to be the most useful for, although I'm going to show you a few other examples as well. So you can see I've gone to my example project. So this may be a project that I've already created and sent out to a client. It could have been a project that I did for another client, but I want my current one to look the same. So going to the layouts and simply recreating one by right-clicking on it, clicking Add Layout, you'll see instantly down here that drawing 2 now has my layout from my other drawing, complete with text pieces and blocks. Everything from that layout has now been brought into this new existing drawing. This has instantly saved me half an hour, 20 minutes, an hour, depending on how complicated that drawing was. You can save a ton of time by importing things like general notes and legend sheets from previous projects in just a click or 2. And again, you can simply select all of these, right click and hit Add Layouts. You can hold Control to select more than one if you'd like to select multiples, but not all of the objects. Now, this also works for layers. You could see before that my layers in this drawing are pretty sparse. If I want to bring in, say, the entire AIA layer set, I can do that by going to the layers in my example drawing, scrolling to the bottom and holding Shift, hitting the bottom one and selecting the top one after the other. That's going to select them all. You can also use Control and A. Now I simply right click and add layers. Now all of those layers, as well as all of their settings, colors, line weights, and line styles, have been imported instantly into my blank drawing 2. Now, with literally 3 or 4 clicks, I've got my layout with title block, my notes, all of my layers, my line types, and my blocks brought from an example drawing that I did who knows how long ago, and now they're instantly into my new current drawing. This is great if you're just doing edits or changes to a client or existing drawing and you want to grab some layers, you want to grab some blocks. This is an instant and easy way to do that. So I hope this video helps explain the Design Center and a super helpful tool in AutoCAD that many of you may not have even used in the past. This is a great one to try out. Again, selecting these things is a breeze. You can even see previews and examples of the different blocks before you bring them in. And again, you can simply click and drag and drop things like styles, layers, and blocks in a few clicks. Now, that's all for today's video. If you like this one and you want to learn a ton more AutoCAD workflows, fundamentals, tips, and tricks, make sure you check out my AutoCAD course, AutoCAD Fundamentals and Workflows in a Hurry. I'm putting a discounted link up above and down below in the description where viewers such as yourself can pick it up for the cheapest rate right now. Click that link and learn more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Cheers.